We're going to have some highs in the mid to upper 70s, and things are going to cool down to about...
I have always been fascinated with flight. My earliest memory as a child is sitting on my mom's lap, looking out an airplane window. I remember flying through the clouds, looking down, and seeing a world that looked unlike anything I'd ever seen before. Today, aerial photography evokes many of those same feelings that I experienced on the airplane that day. It has allowed me to alter my perspective, to see what can't be seen from the surface due to human limitations. I'm now free to explore the breadth and scale of the world in an entirely new dimension. I can see how the landscape has been shaped around us and how everything is connected. When I first started flying my drone, I struggled to find others who were just as interested and passionate about this new medium as I was. I wanted to learn as much as I could, since flying a drone in the early days was much more complicated than it is today. At that time, there wasn't really anyone I could find to ask questions to. There weren't any books or online resources to learn from, and finding inspiring drone imagery was rare. So in 2014, I created a hashtag and Instagram account called From Where I Drone, with the goal of trying to fill that gap. I wanted to connect drone pilots with each other and inspire the world with some of the best drone imagery I could find. From Where I Drone has since developed into a website that is dedicated to connecting, inspiring, and educating drone pilots. From Where I Drone is now considered a leader in drone photography and cinematography circles, and it represents one of the largest drone communities on the web today. I never actually planned on being a photographer or even running a photography-focused website. Photography has just become the medium I use to explore my curiosities. Seeing the surface of the world compress and become almost abstract-like from a few hundred feet up humbles me and reminds me that we all are really just a small part of a world much bigger than us. It connects me with people from various places and backgrounds all around the world. It serves as my bridge to connect with other people, forming friendships, connections, to inspire and be inspired. Photography is the language I use to reflect these ideas to others. Photography brings us together. Photography is connection.